In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove product from TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to look for so you can quickly tidy up your showcase without affecting the rest of your shop setup. Start by opening your TikTok Shop account on the TikTok app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account that's connected to your shop, especially if you manage more than one profile. A stable internet connection helps the menus load quickly, and keeping the app updated ensures the buttons look the way I describe. From the main screen, go straight to your profile. This is the icon at the bottom right of the app. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three lines menu icon, usually in the top right corner. Tap that to open your account's main tools and settings. If your menus look slightly different, don't worry. TikTok updates the interface from time to time, but the options you need are still in this menu. Next, tap TikTok Studio. This is the area where creators manage content, analytics, and shop-related tools. Inside TikTok Studio, tap TikTok Shop for Creator. This section connects your creator profile with your shop functions, including your on-profile product showcase. Now, select Manage Showcase. The showcase is the set of products that appear on your profile for viewers to browse. Think of it as your storefront window. Removing a product here only takes it out of the showcase, not from your entire shop catalog. It won't delete the product listing or cancel any existing orders. It simply cleans up what's visible to your audience on your profile. Find the product you want to remove. To remove it, you have two quick options. You can tap the three dots next to that product to bring up more actions, then choose Remove. Or you can slide the product to the left to reveal the Remove option and tap it. If the app asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the removal. That's it. The item will no longer appear in your profile showcase. If you change your mind later, you can re-add the product to your showcase from the same area. And if you don't see these options, double-check that you're on the right account, your app is updated, and that you're in TikTok Studio under TikTok Shop for Creator. You've just learned the quickest way to remove a product from your TikTok Shop showcase. Keep your profile clean and focused by featuring only the items you want your audience to see right now.